Hello Habibti, kif inti? Hello my friend, how are you doing? And welcome to this very quick Maltese language lesson where I'm going to be teaching you how to introduce yourself, in Maltese of course. So, let's begin. Now what's really going to help you to introduce yourself in Maltese is to go to the description below to download my free ebook which contains all of the most popular Maltese words. Now if I wanted to say hello, my name is Myron in Maltese, I would say hello, jien jisimni Myron. That's hello, jien jisimni Myron. And jien jisimni means my name is. This is a very polite way of introducing yourself in Maltese, and some common sentences that you could potentially say after this could either be Andi piacir, which means nice to meet you, or Shismek, which means what's your name. So that's either Andi piacir, or Shismek, Shismek. I just want to briefly add that most people in Malta greet each other by shaking hands, but depending on the situation, we also kiss each other on the cheek, so don't be surprised if this happens to you. Anyway, another thing that you might want to say when introducing yourself is, of course, your age, and to say that, you'd say Jien Andi 50 sena. That's Jien Andi 50 sena. And this sentence specifically means I am 50 years old. Now obviously I understand that not every single person watching this video is 50 years old, so if this isn't your age, you'll have to remove the word 50, which means 50, and just replace it with your specific age. And if you don't know how to say your specific age in Maltese, I'd advise you to join my online Maltese language course where you can learn all the numbers that you can possibly dream of, and so much more. Just go to the link in the description below this video. Anyway, if we actually break down the sentence on this screen, the literal translation is actually slightly different to how it is used, because as I mentioned, Jien Andi 50 sena means I am 50 years old, but the literal translation is this: I have 50 years. And the reason that I'm telling you this is because I want you to know in advance that sentences in Maltese don't always translate literally. Now let's move on to something else. Jien noqgħod Malta. That's jien noqgħod Malta. And this means I live in Malta. Next we have qed nipprova nitgħallem il-Malti. That's qed nipprova nitgħallem il-Malti. And this means I am trying to learn Maltese. So if you're ever in a situation where you're struggling to remember the words that you've been learning in Maltese while speaking to a Maltese person, saying this will lead to the person that you are speaking to be more understanding with you and to be more patient with you. And if you want to avoid situations like this as much as possible, like both Sarah and Tracy were able to do, make sure you do indeed check out that free ebook and the online Maltese language course that I mentioned earlier, which you can access from the description below this video. Narak dalwat. See you soon.